Hello everyone, welcome to Pandey Guruji YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to discuss about the acid property. So this is the video number 76 of the complete SQL tutorial. Last video I already discussed about the normalization and denormalization. I already completed all the concept of the normalization. So if you not get a chance, you can visit my channel and you can watch complete all this video under the playlist complete SQL tutorial video series. So you can see already we have all the video under this playlist. So this video I will discuss about the acid properties. So acid property is the basically one type of the, we can say, the rule which is applied in each and every database, either is the transactional database or the data warehouse, whatever we have. So basically, what is the full form of the acid? So the full name of the acid: A for the atomicity, C for the consistency, I for the isolation, and D for the durability. So what is the mean of the acid? So acid said that acid for A for the atomicity said that each and every transaction either succeed or either failed. So whenever we have any type of the data, let's say example, if you are updating one employee table, like you updating some hike of the salary of 1,000 of the employee in a table. So if you perform the update operation and the acid A saying that, atomicity saying that either all the update is success or whatever the update you perform is failed, then all are failed, the data should be rolled back. So that is called the atomicity. So if you fail any type of the error, it's related to the corruption, it's related to the failure, it's related to the any type of the deadlock. So if you write the code in such a way that the code should be succeed or code should be failure. Now the second one is the consistency. This is the principle that database executed transaction in a consistent manner and the obeying all rule of the database. Now the third one is the isolation. Isolation is the basically in the database we have the 5 level of the isolation that you will get the video in the future also, like the read committed, read uncommitted, snapshot, repeatable read, serializable. So this is the also we have the isolation level in the database. So based on the client requirement, based on the customer need, we need to be use the isolation level before starting of the code of the store procedure. Now the third one is the durability. So durability is nothing but we need to be have the durable of the data in the sense that we have some type of the storage, like the storage there guaranteed that we not lost any type of the data, like we have some mirroring database, we have some type of the copy of the database that need to be moved the data hourly basis of the so if we have some type of the any type of the lost data, we can immediate backup of the data from the other source of the database. So this is called the durability. So this acid property is very important for the interview point of view. So just you can remember the A for the atomicity, C for consistency, I for isolation, and D for durability. In the next video I will discuss about the different 5 level of the isolation, and I've also discussed practically how we can use the different type of the isolation level, and also I will discuss about the what is the dirty read as well. So thank you so much for the watching this complete video. We'll meet in again in next one. Thank you.